The 17-year-old accused of killing 2 people in a protest during the Kenosha protests will stand trial. Kyle Rittenhouse charged with 2 counts of murder. He's expected to claim self-defense. Rebecca KLOPF explains.
Kyle Rittenhouse is out of jail. He is free after he posted a $2 million bond. That's why he was able to come here to Racine this morning, where we tried to speak to him. Kyle Rittenhouse went straight from his car to his lawyer's office this morning. His mom followed closely behind. Get away from me. The 17-year-old faces more than a half a dozen charges connected to the deaths of Joseph Rosenbaum and Anthony Huber during the protests in Kenosha back in August. Rittenhouse is also accused of seriously wounding Gage Grosskreutz. This morning, his defense lawyer tried to get 2 of the charges dismissed, including possession of a dangerous weapon by a minor. The defense argued in part it was a violation of Rittenhouse's Second Amendment rights.
This was a situation in which a teenager went running around the streets of Kenosha after curfew with a very dangerous weapon. And this is exactly why we have this law. Because a teenager in this case killed 2 people and shot a 3rd. Because teenagers shouldn't be allowed to run around with dangerous weapons, because bad things happen.
The court commissioner denied the request to have the 2 charges dropped, but ultimately Thursday's hearing was to determine whether there was enough evidence to move Rittenhouse's case to a trial. The defense argued Rittenhouse was acting in self-defense, even showing photos as evidence from the crime scene.
Mr. Grosskreutz, in his right hand, you can clearly see a firearm, correct?
Yes, sir.
He's pointing it at my client, correct?
It appears so. Your Honor, we're getting into what I know the defense wants to do today, which is make this a self-defense case.
The court commissioner said the self-defense argument needs to be made in trial, which is where the case is now headed. Rittenhouse is due back in court next month for an arraignment hearing. Reporting in Racine, Rebecca KLOPF, TMJ4 News.